Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by acting fast. Force restart clears temporary hangs and often fixes glitches. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the top button until the Apple logo. Once done, make sure to check iPad storage because low space causes slow, unstable behavior, free about 10%. Then update apps and iOS to eliminate known bugs. App conflicts often cause symptoms. You're doing the essentials first, so the next, deeper steps are meaningful and not wasted on transient faults. Now you diagnose deeper causes, starting with reset all settings to restore system defaults without erasing data. This removes corrupt preferences that cause erratic behavior. Once that's done, isolate apps by reinstalling any that crash or misbehave, and disable background app refresh for suspects to reduce conflicts. Next, run simple hardware checks, touchscreen responsiveness, speakers, and the charging port, because physical issues mimic software glitches. Make sure to monitor battery health. Finish by restoring selectively. First, try restoring from a recent backup to remove corrupted system state while keeping data. If that fails, perform a DFU restore to reinstall firmware and iOS. Make sure to back up beforehand to iCloud or Finder. Once restored, verify iCloud sync and your Apple ID. Sign out and back in if services still misbehave. If problems remain, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnostics. This single troubleshooting tip saves time when software steps don't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.